Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my first camera test of the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the on the Moto G6. Got LG on the brain still. But anyways, this first camera test is being recorded in 720p resolution at 30 frames a second. So we're going to do the usual. We're in the spot. We're going to do some pans. We're going to do some focus tests. We're going to do some exposure tests. And we're going to wrap it up. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And please let me know how the video looks and how the audio sounds down below in the comments. So let's get started. Real quickly, we're going to pan from here all the way over to here and back 3 times. So that's number 1. And keep in mind, this video today is all handheld. So no Manfrotto mini tripod, no Octomount. This is just my hands and the device. And there is no external microphone hooked up either. So all the audio is coming directly from the mics on the Moto G6. Alright, that's number 2. And here goes number 3. And I gotta tell you guys, I've had this device for a couple of days now. And it seems really, really good. Okay, that's number 3. Now let's do some focus tests. I mean, the device itself has its little quirks, but all in all, so far, it's been really, really good. So let's focus on the tree here, and we got focus. And let's pan down to the ground, and we got focus. Back up to the tree. Got that focus back on, back down to the ground, and we're locked. And I gotta say, the autofocus is extremely fast. And at least in my opinion, the exposure shifting is not bad at all. It seems to be like a gradual shift. It's not fast, it's not abrupt, it's real smooth. So there you go, we're gonna do this one more time. And then let's change focus points. Alright, now we're going to focus on the pillar over here. And focus on the tree in the distance. Back to the pillar. Back to the tree. Back to the pillar. You see how smooth that transition is? Pretty good. One more time. Pillar. Tree. Alright, now bring it back to the center here. And we're going to choose another focal point. We're going to choose the sky here. So now we're focused on the sky. And we're going to go all the way down to the ground. And we got a focus lock back up to the sky. And it's struggling a little bit. And we got it. Back down to the ground. Got it. Back up to the sky. Got it. Back down to the ground one last time. Back up to the sky. And we struggled a little bit, and there it is. Alright, come back to the center. Now let's pick some zoom focal points here. And I gotta tell you guys, not too pleased with the zoom. But that's mostly because the zoom is a little quick. So I can't really lock down the number I want. It's going to take me a second to actually get that zoom that I like. And on top of that, it's digital zoom. And if you don't know about digital zoom, it's probably one of those things that you don't really want to use. For the best zooming purposes, it's recommended that you just take your device as close as you can before it gets blurry. If you use the digital zoom, you may run into some issues and your pictures or video may get super pixelated. So I think we're going to use the mailbox as one focus point, We're going to use the tree over here as another. And then we're going to use, we're going to use this pillar down here as another. Alright, so let's focus on the mailbox. And let's zoom in. And you see that was very quick. And it's kind of hard for me to lock it in. This is 2x zoom. And that looks pretty good. And make sure the focus is locked on the mailbox there. Alright, now let's focus on the tree. Alright, it doesn't look half bad. Pillar. Tree in the distance. Alright, and then this brick pillar over here. It doesn't look half bad. But now as you move further in, this is where you're going to run into some issues. And it maxes out at 8x digital zoom there. And you can see it's very blurry. It's very pixelated. I would definitely not use the maximum zoom. If you ask me, I think the most you should be zooming in with the digital zoom would be 2x. See, because 2x gives you a little bit of zoom, but it maintains a majority of the detail, as you can see there. So, alright, real quick zoom test for you guys. And again, guys, all of my videos are just in my opinion. Please feel free to leave you guys' opinions down below in the comments. Alright? Alright, that being said, this was camera sample test number 1. Again, this is on the Moto G6. And this video is recorded in 720p resolution at 30 frames a second. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace. Oh, and before I forget, you can indeed snap photos while in video. So I got one there, and I got one there. Alright, and you can indeed pause the video and resume the video while in video. I just wanted to point that out because some smartphones, once you hit stop, it stops. And they don't really give you the option to pause and resume. So you can pause and resume, and you can take photos while in video. Just wanted to point that out. And you can control your flash as well. So I could turn the flash on. Even though it's daytime, you're not really going to see it. But I could turn the flash on, I could turn the flash off. All that good stuff is here. Alright, hope everyone enjoys this video, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace.